Gmatch secure and privacy preserving group matching in social networks. Hemalata R register number 11311621031 VMC 799. Abstract. Making new connection according to personal preference is a crucial service in mobile social networking, where an initiating user can find matching users within physical proximity of him or her. In existing system, usually all users directly publish their complete profiles for others to search. In many applications, users' personal profiles may contain sensitive information that they do not want to make public. By proposing find-you technique, privacy-preserving profile matching schemes for mobile social network, initiating user find a group of users whose profile best matches. To limit this risk of privacy exposure, only minimal information about the private attributes of the participating user is exchanged. Several increasing levels of user privacy are defined, with decreasing amounts of profile information. Leveraging secure multi-party computation technique is used as a novel protocol. It realizes two user privacy levels personalized by user. It may contain security analysis and performance evaluation to show advantage in both security and efficiency over the state-of-art of schemes. Existing system. Usually all users directly publish their complete profiles for others to search. In many applications, user personal profiles may contain sensitive information that they do not want to make public. In this, some disadvantages. It is a possibility for hackers to commit fraud and launch spam and virus attacks. It increases the risk of people which scams resulting in data or identity theft. Potential results. It lost productivity and especially employees are busy updating profiles. In proposed system, privacy preserving problem of profile matching in MSN. Two levels of privacy are defined with threat models. It may have higher privacy level. It leaks less profile information to the adversaries to the lower level. Distributed profile privacy profile matching scheme. It is a private set intersection protocol. Private set cardinality of intersection protocol. It is based on leveraging secure multi-party computation based on polynomial secret sharing for proposing several key enhancements to improve computation and communication efficiency. Advantages. Proximity based mobile social networking, more popular on smartphones, facilitates open communication leading to enhanced information and delivery, targets a wide audience making it useful and efficient recruitment tool, expands market research, implementing marketing campaigns, provide communications. Privacy levels. Level 1 privacy when the protocol ends, user 1 learns and user 2 also learns. Level 2 privacy when protocol ends, user 1 learns and user 2 learns nothing. Level 3 privacy when the protocol learns, user 1 learns from some threshold of her voice and user 2 learns nothing. System specification. Hardware specification, software specification. Hardware processor, Intel dual core, RAM 1 GB, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, optical mouse. Software specification, OS, Windows, front-end Java, Eclipse as a tool, backend MySQL. 4 modules. Security module, usability and efficiency module, SHAML secret scheme algorithm, preventing malicious attacks. Security modules. Users may have different privacy requirements and it takes different amounts of efforts to achieve them. 2 privacy levels of privacy, where the higher level leaks less information to the adversaries. In second module, usability and efficiency module, profile matching in MSN is desirable to involve as few human interaction. Human user only needs explicitly participate in the end of the protocol run. System design should be lightweight and practical. Option to flexibly personalize their privacy levels. In Module 3, SHAML secret sharing scheme, multi-party protocol related to key establishment and the original motivation for secret sharing. Greater number of copies made, there is greater number of risk of security exposure without increased risk. Fourth module, preventing malicious attacks. Protocols are proven honest but curious module. This is a strong and malicious module to prevent adversary from arbitrarily deviating from a protocol run. It is a set inflation attack can be easily prevented where the malicious user influences the final output of user seeing others. In Eclipse tool, Java chat server, it's run as a Java application. Now server is starting. Now controller is a overall chat controller. Username and password and submitted. It goes to already user 1 is in online, so user 1 giving request to user 2 chatting. So user 2 is saying I am on offline. Now user 2 is logging. Now user 2 is responding to user 2. Now user 2 sending message to user 1. User 1 gets this message. User 2 sending message to user 1. User 1 getting this message. Now user 3 is chatting, going to chat with user 1 or user 2. Now user 3 is going to chat with the user 2. User 3 is messaging to user 2. User 3 is sending message to user 2. It is a group of chatting. Now the database gets all these data. Now user 2 is requesting all these data and user 3 is requested like this. Now chatting. User 3 chatting. User 2 gets. Now user 2 responding to user 3 chatting with user 2.